Hi, my name is Jessi, and today we are going to talk about Bitcoin mining. Bitcoin is a decentralized cryptocurrency. Being a currency, it requires storage for transactions. Bitcoin uses distributed ledger technology called the blockchain. A blockchain is a sequence of blocks where each next block is linked to the previous block. Each block contains a header and a body. So how does mining actually work? In short, mining consists of two steps, forming a block and sealing a block. Every block should contain a list of transactions with a total minimal size of 1 megabyte. All the transactions in the current block should be verified by the miner. To seal the block, a miner needs to perform some calculations, proof of work. Calculations are performed on the header of the block. Important fields in the header are Nbits and Nonce. Nbits is a target upper boundary value and a nonce is a number a miner tries to find. The mining formula looks like this. A nonce is a number that starts from 0 and is incremented until the condition is fulfilled. When a miner finds this number, he seals the block and sends it over the network. Other miners verify his block for validity and integrity. The fastest miner, whose block is accepted, wins. His block is added to the chain and the process starts all over again. Why would miners perform these calculations? In Bitcoin network, a miner is allowed to assign some amount of coins to himself when mining a block. The number of coins depends on the number of halvings that already occurred in the network. What is the future of mining? Bitcoin network cannot properly function without miners. Although Bitcoin price grows, the number of coins issued with every block declines. However, Bitcoin network also offers a transaction fee incentive. When coins won't be issued with new blocks any longer, miners would depend only on fees. Thank you for watching. Please, like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Jessi, power off.